This is the 7th video in our series of naming compounds, where we are looking at ionic compounds, both using and not using the stock system, and covalent compounds and acids. In this video, we are going to take a look at this particular compound right here. And like all the others, we're going to start by looking at that first element and finding it on our periodic table. So if we go to our periodic table and we look for symbol P, and you'll see it right over here. It is element number 15, phosphorus. Located in group 15, it is a non-metal. So let's go back and see what it is bonded to. It is bonded to fluorine. So let's go find fluorine on our periodic table. And let me highlight. Here's our phosphorus. And here is fluorine. Fluorine is a halogen located in group 17. So we have two nonmetals. We have a nonmetal bonded to a nonmetal. That is a covalent compound. Covalent compound is when a nonmetal shares electrons with a nonmetal. In the instance of naming covalent compounds, we are going to pay particular attention to the number of atoms in the compound. They are important because we use those to name the covalent compound. They are important because they will determine the prefixes that we add to the element names. Those prefixes are as follows. If you have one atom, the prefix is mono, 2 is di, 3 tri, 4 tetra, 5 penta, 6 hexa, 7 is hepta, 8 is octa, 9 is nona, and 10 is deca. Let's go back to our compound. We've got one atom of phosphorus and 5 of fluorine. So which prefixes are we going to use in our name? Well, we're never going to add mono to the front of a compound, so we're just going to use the name of the first element, which is phosphorus. We're going to add the prefix penta, or 5, in front of fluorine, and we are going to add -ide to the end. So this compound is called phosphorus pentafluoride. Okay? You take the prefix, name of the first element, add a prefix, name of the second element, drop the ending, and add -ide. You're never going to start a compound name with mono.